This 2016 Newmar Canyon Star 3710 is a Class A RV. It is located in Winter Garden, FL 34787 and is offered for sale by Independence RV Sales. This used Newmar is 37 feet 11 inches in length and features 2 slideouts, Illusion, Astor Maple Glazed interior, sleeps 4, slideout, water heater, TV, smoke detector, self-contained, CO detector, refrigerator, air conditioning, external shower, TV antenna, and 75 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features bath and a half, front dinette, front entertainment, front kitchen, front living area, outdoor entertainment, rear bath, rear bedroom, rear entertainment. This 2016 Newmar Canyon Star 3710 is built on a Ford F-53 26,000 pounds chassis and is powered by a Ford Triton V-10 362 HP engine. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Independence RV Sales, visit RVUSA.com.